The universe may seem calm and serene from a distance, but deep within the cosmos lie celestial titans, black holes, that are anything but quiet. What happens when these giants collide? What forces are unleashed when black holes disrupt the very fabric of space and time? Today, we take you into the violent heart of the universe. Gravitational waves, the universe's whisper. Picture this: two black holes, locked in an epic cosmic dance, spiraling closer and closer. They move faster, their energy building like an unstoppable force. And then, in one final moment, they collide. A cataclysmic event so powerful, it sends ripples through space-time itself. These ripples, called gravitational waves, are the whispers of the universe, carrying secrets from events billions of light years away. Predicted by Einstein and first detected in 2015, they've become our window into the cosmos's most dramatic collisions. Black hole mergers, the birth of giants. But what happens after such a collision? These two black holes merge, forming one colossal entity, a single larger black hole that is far more powerful than either of its predecessors. During this process, they release an energy greater than the light from all the stars in the observable universe combined. This isn't just destruction, it's creation on a cosmic scale. Tidal disruption events, a star's final journey. Now imagine a star, massive, bright, full of life, wandering too close to a supermassive black hole. The black hole's immense gravity pulls the star apart, tearing it into streams of gas in what scientists call a tidal disruption event. The result? A brilliant explosion of light and energy that can be seen across the galaxy. For the star, it's the end of its journey, but for us, it's a spectacular reminder of the power black holes wield. The ripple effect, shaping galaxies. But these events aren't just cosmic fireworks. Black hole collisions and tidal disruptions influence the very structure of galaxies. They send out energy waves that reshape matter, spark the birth of new stars, and sometimes dictate the fate of entire galaxies. In their chaos lies the blueprint for creation. What comes next? This is just the beginning of the story. In the next episode, we'll uncover even greater mysteries: the relationship between black holes and time, the concept of time travel, and the mind-bending idea of wormholes. Are black holes portals to other dimensions, or do they hold the secrets to time itself? Join us as we unravel the answers. Call to action. If this journey into the violent side of black holes left you amazed, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon. The cosmos has so much more to reveal, and together, we'll explore it all.